Hello, my name's Bob Willis and welcome to Book Review. Every couple of months I take the opportunity of reviewing new books which are available within the industry, and hopefully there may be something that's of interest to you. On this occasion I'd just like to mention a new publication that I've produced, and it's going to be released shortly. It's Solder Paste Print Inspection and Defect Guide. It will be accompanied by a couple of webinars as well, which are free, as is the guide. The publication features the inspection of solder paste introduction, the use of stencils and stencil inspection, wash-offs and first-off prints. And of course the main section covers the process defects that you might see during printing or as a result of poor printing. Now basically the guide is over 30 pages, it's illustrated with colour photographs, x-rays and SEM images, and it's been published by What's New in Electronics. Hopefully this particular publication may be of interest to you, or please pass it on to some of your colleagues, which I think might benefit from some of the common defects and not so common defects associated with solder paste and solder paste printing.